See how she do am, she do am.
On that time, they only do pass themselves.
I'm the bad boy from Nigeria.
The baddest bobo in the area. You
Tell
blow
me
my
what's
mind
your
with
name?
the word.
Kilewi, what's your name?
Say what?
Jennifer.
That year when the song come out.
That year when people see they do sing song from their heart.
Now from their heart. Now this one you go
But
to
now,
music. No. Nice. You go there for person show. If the others boys don't come out, those streets boys, and they say they be street. If they come out, if you get high blood pressure.
High blood pressure.
Now, I'll pass.
Oh Lord.
Naija. At that time, that video,
You don't see the guy Sukuble. You know, Sukuble.
The crop top with that girl.
The crop top.
Now the highest way you feed for
highest.
But now,
that one, the guy wear a combination of suit, coat, blazer, the three, Sukuble.
Everything this side.
Everything they inside. Back to why you don't see the babe, she just sit down with her glass. Like she not put her everybody to party. Beautiful week, another start of a new week now in the beat today. And so I could just tell you, say, make hay while the sun shine. Because the truth be said, for every reaction, for every action, there's a reaction. That one means say you they're responsible for any repercussion of decisions where you make. So I just want to tell you that in this age and time, the way the world is kind of like a going, nobody really care much about you really, because everybody these days know waiting good and waiting bad.
Exactly.
If you are doing a bad something, you are quite very aware.
Exactly.
If you are doing a good something, your awareness is quite uptent in your mind thinking. So I just want to tell you that please, for every decision you make, for everything you do, there's a repercussion.
Exactly.
When the repercussion come, you carry it by yourself alone. In yourself.
Whether so good or bad,
respect yourself.
Every repercussion is from one action.
It's from one action. So respect yourself and make a good decision today.
But Maya, while you start with one, make hay while the sun shine.
Yes.
Sun not shine again. Now rain come for this morning.
Okay.
So
take
buy
umbrella while the rain fall.
So prepare for yourself and any other repercussion activity that might proclaim itself before your very before.
Yes.
You know, if you don't understand this, please get yourself a dictionary or read an encyclopedia. We are learned people.
Better
you know, we read, you know, we are deep. You understand? We are deep people. All right, so basically, you know. Anyway, now welcome. How the whole weekend be for everybody? Hope say it did very, very okay and on point. As it be like this now, don't carry party come again. Myself, Ogbolo, and of course, Mayolistic Mayowa. You know, we are here again to make sure you are there again, to make sure we... How does it go that day? We are here again.
Oh yeah.
We are here again.
To make sure you are here again. Body, we have come again. Oh yes, we have come again. Yeah, we have come again. Body, we have come again. Body, we have come again. And body, we have come again. Everybody, we have come again. Body, we have come again. Everybody, we have come again. We give you 1, a 2, a 3, 4, 5. We give you 6, a 7, a 8, 9, 10. It's a body. When they come in again, and the body come. Yeah.
Oh!
You see this thing? Oh Lord God!
We go break. Oh my!
That is it.
Yay!
Body, we are come again. Our guy.
My God!
Our guy. And I tell you this thing. You understand? That is how to do it. You see, this thing what this guy do now, it means be diligent in your work.
Exactly.
You know why? If you are good at what you do, you go just do them like fit trick. Do them.
You don't dust them.
People go just look and say, huh?
Yes. You prove to that guy with the phone, baby, one up and down. He said, "What did you care?
Have you seen dance?
Let me show you.
Let me show you how it's done.
Do it. You somersault, you backflip, you do everything. Can't end up like this, you know.
You understand? Now there.
Salute. Let me say, I sabi this thing.
No question.
Shall not show myself. Me say, for our brain. All of us get up our body. No me say we dey shout anyhow.
Just like we know our job.
All right. So yarn the yarn right now.
Yeah. What?
Yarn
Did you just say it with Fuji?
Yarn the yarn right now. All
right. let's yarn it.
Yes.
In the Georgia place, in the America, there's this particular place that used to sell iPhone. In that place, iPhone. But in that place...
Before I continue this, I get one of my friend talk. It's sometimes they will say, UK phone, UK used. See, they got call up from UK one, they say, we don't use all those phones. Not be our phone, no. We're not going to call our UK used.
Oh, God. So, for instance, they say iPhone.
iPhone.
Yeah, iPhone. So, for that place, the people know they like buy the phone. Reason because they say iPhone is the instrument of the devil.
Wow.
It's quite a Catholic. You know all those places where we say Catholics plenty for them.
Okay.
They say is a instrument of the devil to pollute the world.
Wow.
Not being this owner, the retailer, the owner of the store, the manager and the retailer of the iPhone person himself. Maybe they can call one priest, say, come and help us bless the church.
Okay.
I mean, come and help us bless the shop.
Okay.
You know, bless the shop, bless the people, bless the iPhones, the phones were selling. So the pastor went, the father, he go there, he blessed the everything, bless them. But they can't record them, they can't video them. You know, it was like a ceremony.
Okay.
They video and when they bless everything. Maybe father bless, finished. People can't put that on social media. He went viral to come and say, okay, this thing is not of the devil. Even a father came to bless the phones.
Wow.
When the people come to say, father, enter, go bless the phones, now people begin buy.
Hypocrites, them.
Now people begin buy. You know the thing we say, they begin buy, say, because if a father can bless it, that means it's not so bad after all. Now, what can they paint the father? Where the father be, they tell the Info9 news sites where interview him. Father say when he do this thing, say no like him. Say when he do this thing, he no do it with the intention to help their sales. So not because of say he want people to buy. Say he actually went there to bless the owner and the people where they inside. Say your own intention. That's mean you know say now waiting they want use and do be this. Because the market strategy they use for that player do.
They use for
say assuming he know say now market strategy they want use and do. Say for no greed they made a video
set up.
Between paying the papa, he said if I had known that is the purpose of the video, I wouldn't have let them video it in the first place. The thing pain the papa out. He said I didn't know it would be used as a marketing stunt by iPhone and the managers. So that is the thing. Father now go, that's now why they call father, please, maybe I don't get new shop, come bless my shop, then they turn out to marketing strategy. People can't begin buy.
Yeah. But well, these kind of things, they happen. Sometimes you say, no, even the iPhone people, and they can't do all these things. Maybe now people, then we just there around, they form say, this one they say, for this our area now, we know if they use iPhone, they say, not demonic something.
Yes, because one girl said, Anna Aslan, she come out. Contact said the reason why she buy them. Said the reason why she buy them, they say that be saying maybe it's not so bad after all if a father can actually bless. So then they try use the father prayer as endorsement. Say the father endorse the phone.
So not be the iPhone people now do them now.
Not the iPhone people.
Not be them.
No, because now iPhone people them put that shop. They just get manager inside.
Oh, now see plan. Marketing strategy.
It's not good. Don't be taking advantage of people.
My own apology goes to father. That was used.
That's what it was used.
It was used because that was abuse. It was abuse on his belief, abuse on his gown.
On his gown.
Abuse on his fatherism.
Yes.
You understand? So it's not a good something. So
abuse,
please.
He was taking advantage of.
Bam. You understand? Please.
Yeah.
Thank you.
That is it.
Now, for my own incredible gist.
What?
My own incredible gist. Incredible because I don't see sense inside this thing what you're not trying to start to do now. Now the form we can come and create new things. I mean, we're happy because somehow we they benefit from so many things that they do. Yeah, we thank God. Even though they benefit from what we say they do from this side. And yeah, it's a B. But they don't carry dogs. Use dogs, take the drive motor. Okay. They use dogs, take the carry blind people they waka. Okay. They use dogs. They do different things. They even use dog act film. Dogs have they even graduate from university. Some they marry dog. Some they different till they use dog do these days. But now they won't tag one mumu. Okay, make I not use mumu because that'll be judgment.
Don't tag one pause.
They won't start one new reality show now. And now for UK, they won't start the whole thing. And say for this particular thing, they want show people say dogs can be used for more than just what we submit to use dog they do. Now, we go shock una.
So that means dog can be used for more than woo-woo.
Yes, more than hoo-hoo or more than heel or hair. So they pet them. Now, dogs might be able to fly aeroplane.
Children of Wobe.
Aeroplane. 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 They say, they not say the possibility is small, but if you prove to the whole world, say Bingo can drive aeroplane.
Pilot Bingo.
Yes, pilot Bingo.
On the aircraft today is Pilot Bingo and the crew. Poppy Angela, Chihuahua, Amaka.
Yes, and Bingo.
And Bingo.
Bingo something. That Bingo, now they say for that aisle. They tell everybody, say, okay, put your seat belt, do this one, do that one.
2 exits in front, 2 in the back, 1 in the middle. It's
so
okay.
now, they say Bingo, somehow, make them see how everything will take be. They say they don't first try some other things before with moto, with Okada. They don't carry monkey, they drive Okada. Carry some dogs, they drive moto. Say, but now, they want to prove to the whole world, say, dog will fit drive aeroplane.
No problem.
Well, now, where won't start the reality show will be the passenger.
Please, I just want to say one thing. That wherever you are driving this aeroplane, maintain your lane.
Yeah.
Didn't drive and come to this arena.
Exactly.
Because if it's like that, people will trek from state to state.
My dear, I'll be a trekoid.
What? What's wrong with you?
I'll go to trek.
You could just say, where they go? I just want quickly trek, reach Taraba.
But imagine, say, you go enter aeroplane. You say, most of them they know who pilots be.
Yeah, we never see the pilot.
You never see the pilot. Next, you just carry aeroplane from Lagos to go Abuja. You just say, well, okay, we don't do this, we call it Abuja. They can say, we want to introduce the pilot to you. They can bring out Bingo.
And maybe the takeoff and the landing makes sense.
It makes sense. The Bingo can come and say, they can say, nah, Bingo, now you fly the thing. You go, people go first shout, you want to kill us? Or guy, you land, but you no land.
Hey.
But any which way, we don't want to try out. We don't want to try out. The air hostesses, then there will be the remaining Chihuahua.
No problem. Do worry yourself. If you want to do this kind of a thing, just know that your family members are going to be passengers.
Yes, just use your people. Use your people.
Do you worry about us?
Una won't watch the reality show. Una fit sit down for back.
Yeah, don't worry, we are good.
Yes, we are okay. We like to watch.
Okay.
No, we like to watch.
We want to watch your reality show and see the outcome of your show. But we didn't want to be a partaker.
No, we don't want to partake. No, in this kind of thing, we're not partakers of the entire thing. We are onlookers.
You didn't even say you want to teach children to fry play. It's a dog.
If it's a children, I go feel understand. Say, okay.
Bingo, a lucky.
Aja.
No. Give us break. This cheese,
break.
We reach to drink water.
No, you need to ask question.
No.
Whether some people are okay somewhere. Future, I see the future.
Hey, Bobo.
Yeah, well, bad day.
Get this money.
I can see the future. That girl. Oh, la. Even you don't be twist ways like that.
And I can't.
That girl a champion from bed.
Yes, I
maybe Mama before that's for fella. Maybe. Maybe the man dance of fella before.
Me, I no go get problem with him if the girl they go school. And if they not allow her, may she begin the, you understand, every party she go, they dance, make them they spray her.
No, for me, itself, now two things. As a former professional dancer myself, now, this particular one, they need to hold her like this. Say, young girl, okay, some kind dance day.
Where you feel
you supposed to do. Some other dance
where you never supposed to do.
You not supposed to do and self.
You not supposed to be.
Because some dance na really, no. Dance for say you do gigi get didi gbagba didi gbagba di that one different, but say you go dey do like this, they wind the thing please. So please parents, when you see your children they form wind your face, hey, my child can wind west. You are training somebody.
Calm down.
You are training somebody.
Because when you the truth be say children they listen to wetin you talk. When you feel them for their head too much, say that winding of waist is their power.
No, not be wind of waist.
Oh,
they will wind the waist.
They will wind the waist and embarrass you.
Oh, they will
mindfully embarrass you.
And they will unwind.
Yes.
They will unwind.
Okay.
So we have said enough. Beautiful dance for the girl.
Beautiful, yeah, she try. Even I cannot do that. I'm jealous.
Because she can't
actually.
Hey.
Excuse. 17-year-old guy. Bam. His name is what? Obi Akaize.
Obi
Obi Akeze 1.
Akeze 1.
Now, they kidnap him papa. In papa na the Obi of Ubuluku.
Ubuluku.
Ubuluku. The new monarchy. Now, Chukuma Noah Ofulwe. Naim now be the Obi Akeze 1. Because it's just going to be 18 this year. Because as they kidnap him papa, Payam, Ingas come back from the UK, where they go school to come and do kingship, to come and continue the thing.
Don't be smally again now.
But you know, I mean, he's not
a man.
Done
Look
with
at the picture. He's a man.
He's not done with school. He's still a child.
Which child he be? 18 years old. For this
I'm saying he's still a child for all of the rights, all of the...
no,
so they're going to need to put... And this kind of thing, they're delicate. Because they need to find... If not be correct, if not be genuine elders, they put them through. If he problem feed day. I don't know if you understand. I'm saying it's delicate now because he may not be able to know which is right or wrong from the customs of the land. Well, that's another thing.
No, this guy, when they put young people for seats, your mama go did there to make sure say she tell you waiting to do. Elders go still there round to make sure say okay, since now you follow your papa and loyalty and all that one. So I believe the boy is good. But my problem now is say he goes and speak the Igbo language.
Now be that's the thing. Go be like.
They go say who are you?
Obikedu,
Oboloko.
Yeah.
Oboloko.
Yeah.
Now then the elders go change up. All those elders.
Could you think that maybe you can get some water?
Oh. Now then they will say, I know. Yeah. Hey, babe.
He said we go greet elder like this. Go say hi.
You go say hi. How you doing?
How you doing?
You know see where the Obi they turn up inside the room. Hey.
You understand?
They say Obi doesn't say forget that.
They go say, do you think that maybe you can start my elder some wine?
Oh.
Let's pop some bottle of wine.
Let's pop some bottle. Please give me some Hennessy.
And let's dance to some watch me whip, watch me nay nay.
No,
okay.
The Obi should dance traditional dance. You use handkerchief. Yeah. Oh yeah. He said no, man.
No.
So that's Raz, man.
No. Let's dance. Wafe Jaco Neil. Wafe Jaco Neil.
You go say that's Raz, baby. You understand me? Where we come from, man. We do it.
We dance. I'm in love with the coco. It's all about the lolo.
All right. We supposed to get what that gist was supposed to talk, but because of time not today, we just drop the gist and continue the whole thing. All right, but quickly.
Obi in it.
You know, we get from turn up.
In it.
They carry chain. They say, man, chills, baby. I'm the urban Oboloko. That's what they do, man.
Snitching on my like men. Yeah.
I know. It's okay.
Well.
I will not be tempted. I will not be tempted.
In that case.
No. Men know they fear other things.
I just want to tell you that temptation can go both ways. It can go for the money.
Let me the message now. Last. Men know they fear handle them. Say no, me chop my.
But you know say shortly before we go, say if woman catch man with woman, he go pay you. You go cry. You go vex. You go this. After like a month or even 2, worse.
If they come up for your mind.
If you like him, no be say if they come up for my mind, you go forgive her. Maybe once in a while the fight come. If you just talk, then how you deal with that woman? But man, the image is forever there.
It's forever there.
That's the difference.
No, it's forever there. Man, girl, no, what is this?
Ha!
I don't do it again. Everything scatter. Man, no, they fit.
I don't know, but why?
No, it's just us.
That is a case for Friday.
We are highly jealous. Even if they don't pay me like this, they pay me.
They pay you in advance.
Why will please take the social media. Don't try it.
Wazobia Paddy, tweet at us. Why is it that men cannot get the image, that titty image
we
of
not
their
fit.
head?
I go shop my meat.
Why?
I go if you thief your meat,
okay, but you fit thief me.
No, not fish.
What?
You are a fish. We are a meat.
At Wazobia Paddy, that's all I'm going to say. Only Twitter. At Wazobia Paddy. On Friday, we are going to talk about this.
Don't try it.
Why is it that men cannot handle cheating and they expect women to forgive them? That's the thing we are going to talk about on
now
Friday.
For the man, they even go cheat.
Jeff, don't give us script. That is it. That is it.
Today we don't try it, oh. Anywhere where you are all day, say you are in future or you are in nearest. If you try it, you can't try it.
Shut up.
Because God is on my side.
Shut up.
You know I'm not go astray.
What?
Leave me, I'm not go astray. Don't try it.
Bye.
We love you. Take care of yourselves. Mwah, mwah, mwah. Now, no, so just enjoy the video they want to just watch. Make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.